Good morning, it's Thursday, October 21st, a little before 7 a.m. We'll be harvesting Butterdragon Hill vineyard today, and I'm going to be recording it on my new toy, and hopefully I read the instructions correctly and we'll get some good video today using this new Kodak placeboard. About 7:15. Starting to pick at first light. Such a late harvest date. First light comes a little later. About 52 degrees. Light cloud cover broken up. Looks like it will burn off fairly quickly. We're expecting some rain coming in tonight, tomorrow. So we're getting the grapes in just in time. A few hours, we'll have taken probably somewhere around 15-18 tons of grapes from here. First bins going out. The most important job a vineyard owner has on harvest day is making sure there's sodas for the picking crew after they're finished. Sometimes I think it wouldn't even matter if I showed up except for this. Our very first harvest 8 years ago, I asked Jim Barber if I should get some beer for the guys for the end of the day, and he's like, looked at me horrified. He's like, no, do not buy beer for these guys. So no cerveza, Coke and Sprite. And the first grapes leave vineyard. Home winemaker. Picking up 800 pounds of Butterdragon Hill.
266 40.
View from above the house, or I should say from at the house. The Butterdragon Hill vineyard is 8 acres. Planted in 2000 with 3 Cabernet Sauvignon clones. Clone 337, Clone 7, and Clone 15. And there's a little bit of Merlot. The 3 rows on that far side are Merlot. Very narrow vine spacing, 3x5 spacing. So they can only get through with a really narrow tractor. Don't know if it shows up, but there they are picking in the distance. The sun toyed with coming out, but it's partly cloudy. Temperature is probably still in the mid-50s. It's Highway 29 down there. We're a couple of miles north of St Helena, just south of the old Bell Grist Mill. Across there we have some small private farmers. Just down the way there is Eller's Lane. And over to the left on the valley floor, some vineyards owned by Larry Turley. On that knoll right across there is Rombauer. In the distance, you see that building is the Silverado Trail and Chateau Boswell, I believe it's called, and Casa Nuestra is in the trees there. Across the way up on the hill there is Via Dare and Burgess. And that big white building is St Helena Hospital. It's Deer Park Road, kind of slanting across our view, going up the hill.